Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to update apps from App Store manually in iPhone. Go to the App Store from the apps list. From the bottom, tap on Updates. You have 7 apps to be updated. You can update one by one by tapping the update button beside the individual app. Or if you want to update all the apps automatically, then tap on Update All. Now all the apps will be updated one by one. So in this way you can update apps from App Store in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.